Hello everyone. Today let's discuss how to introduce yourself in German language. For an example, I am taking the name George here. There are three ways to introduce your name to someone. Mein Name ist George, which means my name is George. Next is Ich bin George, which means I am George. And the third one is Ich heiße George. Heiße means to be called. Next sentence is Ich komme aus India. I am coming from India. Ich wohne in Kerala. I live in Kerala. Ich spreche English, Malayalam, Hindi. If you are unmarried, you can say Ich bin ledig. Or you are married, you can say Ich bin verheiratet. Ich bin 25 Jahre alt. Meine Hobbys sind Musik hören und Sport machen, which means my hobbies are listening music and playing sports. Meine Muttersprache ist Malayalam. My mother tongue is Malayalam. Ich bin student. I am a student. Ich lerne Deutsch. I am learning Deutsch.